On 5th June, at around 1400 hours, police registered a case of mob justice. I don't know why even I'm calling it mob justice. Actually, it's mob action in Nakawa division in Kampala city. You are all aware that one Sidin Gongodio, a 27-year-old male, a professional rugby player and a resident of Simbati Zone, Najera, in Wakiso district, was allegedly, it's no longer now just an allegation, but he was attacked and severely beaten by a group of mainly border riders and other members of public on suspicion of theft. As police, we responded to information as soon as we got it regarding the mob action, and upon arrival at the scene, Sydney was found critically injured but still alive. We rushed him to Mulago Referral Hospital for medical attention, where he succumbed to his injuries. A team of police officers from Kampala Metropolitan Police visited the scene and documented it. We have been carrying out a number of investigations. The hunt for suspects is on, and we are glad that the public has picked very keen interest in even identifying the suspects. So far we have 3 in custody, but more, especially those whom you see actively in participation, shall be arrested. They can't hide, or their hiding is very temporary. Now, as Uganda Police Force, we strongly condemn acts of mob justice or mob action. Such actions, and I have repeatedly said it, are unlawful. They undermine the rule of law and often result in the loss of innocent lives. We urge all members of public to restrain from taking the law into their own hands under any circumstances. If you have to arrest a suspect, if it is a must, then you must surrender them to the police without resorting to torture or any form of harm. Members of public are reminded that participation in mob action constitutes a serious criminal offense and may lead to charges including murder. We warn the public also against joining lynch mobs, as some individuals exploit situations to target innocent people with malicious intention. There are criminals out there who sometimes target their victims and disguise all that as action against a suspect.